on the onboard mic because I forgot to bring a mic. Don't tell anyone, guys, please. Don't tell anyone. I had to do it. I had to get out here. Oh my God, look at this fucking place. How's it going, ding dongs? Sorry, I haven't been recording anything because I already filmed this whole trip last year, and this is the first, God, there's so many flies here. This is the first new park we've come to. We've been to Zion, where you saw me riding the Sur-Ron. We've been to Moab, where I was also riding the Sur-Ron. We're now at Sequoia National Park. We got the camper parked right here. I got the solar panel out. I got a crazy setup going on right now. So I got the solar panel trying to top off this battery. This battery is outputting 1,000 watts into, there's the Sur-Ron, there's Sylvia. So the small battery is outputting 1,000 watts into this battery, which is charging, or into this inverter, which is charging those. And then that is outputting 200 watts into the camper, which is just running the fridge right now. And I think that's it. That's all that's running right now. Teddy's losing his mind with all the chipmunks and squirrels here. Teddy, what do you think? Huh? You already look dirty. You don't hear it? It's literally squeaking over there. Squeaky. When those batteries are fully charged, they were at 96%, so they should stop charging pretty soon. And then once they stop charging, I'm hoping that just the 200 watts running, or the fridge should stop running too. Yeah, I'm hoping that the 60 watts from the solar panel is just enough to just keep things topped off for now while we're gone. Because we're gonna go drive around. We're gonna go see General Sherman and the log hole and all the cool stuff here. I'll just show you guys that footage now. All right, we've been driving up this insane road. I'll film it on the way down. But I think we're at the highest point now. I don't know, maybe not. Great views though. Yeah, I think that's the tallest mountain in the continental United States.
12,000?
I think so.
I thought there was I thought it was taller.
I don't know.
I thought in Colorado,
I know for a fact video's not gonna do it justice. Dude, how is that even possible? That's so massive.
Oh my God, look at the trunk on this bag.
Wow. We're not even at the big ones yet.
They made a road right between this.
Well, they're not gonna cut the trees down.
Oh my God.
Is that possible?
It is
How is that possible for a tree to be that big? Then this isn't even a big one. Dude, it's hollow. Hold on. That's crazy.
Look inside. It's just the outer has like a.
Dude, this is. You can't even fit it in the camera. There's no way.
No sense.
That is unbelievable. How is that possible? You can't even see the top of it. That's insane. That is insane. Oh yeah, here it's more solid. The other side is like hollow though.
Now look, like roll around the floor, it's like roll around.
The top of General Sherman.
275 foot tall.
Somewhere over there.
Yeah, it's those like spikes at the top.
Yeah, can't really tell from here.
Yeah.
Present to you the girthiest boy in the Sequoia National Park.
It weighs 1,385 tons.
Jesus Christ.
Is this the age of it?
Yeah. Older than the Roman Empire.
Alright, you gonna hang out with Corey? I'll head back with Mommy.
That's insane. It is so
That's
huge.
Look at this one. Look at this fact.
You can't even fit them in the camera shot. I have to film vertically. There's no other way. And this is a small one.
I can't believe it. I just can't believe it.
I know. It's crazy.
We're going over there.
I just can't get over these trees, man. They're just so gigantic. You gotta come here and see it, cause like, it just doesn't do it justice. It's like being in downtown Chicago, but they're trees and not buildings. All right, so we're currently at the Morro Rock, I don't know what you call it, road, I guess. We're waiting for it to open to the public so that we can drive through the tunnel log, because right now it's just open to shuttles only. Sorry, it's just tree content today. That's crazy. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but listen to this. It's like hollow in here, it's vibrating. God, why are these such tiny stairs? We're climbing up there with these views. This is amazing. Wow. That's incredible.
It's the road we went down. It's crazy.
You know what I'm surprised about? There's like no wind. How is there no wind? Holy shit. That's where we're going.
This is.
That wasn't that bad.
We're higher than Stone Mountain, I think.
Where'd you?
How high is it?
At least. At night, it's pitch black out. It'd be super cool. Like, going down would be fun.
I just can't believe how calm the wind is.
Yeah.
Literally everywhere we've gone so far
Yeah,
has been so windy.
Remember the Jackson?
Yeah.
The Jackson Hole Resort. Remember how windy it was there?
Yeah, it was horrible. Man, what a view.
have your passport.